Back again. Gonna do one more break. I know I've been doing a lot of baseball, so need to break a little football too. This is the last blaster box I had of the 2013 Topps Chrome blaster that I got from Blowout for like $8. See if I can get that Hopkins rookie. Get your 8 packs. Definitely can tell it's chrome when they're almost bit in half after a couple of years in the chroming process. Alright, who are we going to start it off with? That is Matthew Stafford. We have a Robert Woods mini, which I wish they wouldn't have stopped that in 2015, but rookie card. A Jonathan Hankins. I think I've gotten that card, that rookie, in every blaster I've opened. And a Tyler Wilson X-Fractor rookie card for the Raiders. Not sure if he's around still since they got card now. Alright. Got a Patrick Peterson. Veteran. Looks like there was 2 there. We have a Anquan Bolden on the front. A Tyler Wilson regular rookie. Gonna build the whole set, and then a Aaron Dobson rookie card flashback. Right there. That goes there. Pack number 3. Haven't pulled anything major out of these yet. I think I got 2 more rack packs left. Nice AJ Green right there. We got an X-Fractor. Definitely a lot of X-Fractors in color. Eric Decker. Have a Kenny Vaccaro rookie card for the Saints. That was a big scratch, but that's actually, I think, his necklace flying around there. And we have a Star Lutulelli. Tongue twister X-Fractor right there. Back card looks nice. Reggie Wayne. DJ Fluker for the Chargers. I guess I'll get my Topps Chrome in about 10 years. Nice Cordell Patterson for the Vikings. And a nice Tyler Eifert, numbered 11 of 99. So it's the refractor. Actually have a good 2013 rookie. Very nice. Getting a low numbered parallel. I'm not going to complain about that. Looks like our die cut is in this one. Rob Gronkowski. And we also have a purple of Giovanni Bernard rookie card. I think those are to the. I got the Russell Wilson. Was it $4.99 in the first blaster box, and this one is $3.82 of $4.99. Nice purple. I guess I don't know if they got rid of that, and the purples in 20. What was $4.99 this year or 15? Is that camo? We got a Stedman Bailey rookie card. So rookies, and a Monte Teo for the Chargers rookie die cut. That one kind of has I don't remember if the first one was that refractory. I don't see any. I don't see any numbers on there. Excuse me. All right. We got a Santonio Holmes for the Jets. I'll set that aside for Luke's. I know he's a big Jets fan. A Mike Wallace for the Dolphins. Got a DJ Swearinger rookie card. At least got the the Texan just got the wrong one, but that will definitely go in the PC. And then also have a David Emerson rookie card for the Chiefs X-Factor. 2 more packs to go. Got a Russell Wilson base card. So I got something in here. A Brad Sorensen rookie card. Lots of Chargers. A Jamie Collins rookie card for the Patriots. And is that a pink of Maurice Jones-Drew. 3 number parallels. This one's 87 of 399. I guess they added the black and removed the purple, maybe? Not a bad $8 blaster box. And I like that one too. Last pack mojo. Doug Martin. Losing my breath over here. Got a Clay Matthews. It's a cool looking card. A Detone Jones rookie card. And DeAndre Hopkins rookie card. Let's leave that baby up for the PC. Nice variant too, not just the regular base. So I'm not going to complain about an $8 blaster when I got a nice PC rookie card. DeAndre Hopkins, Maurice Jones-Drew, pink. Got a Giovanni Bernard purple, and another very good rookie of the 2013 class, Tyler Eifert, refractor out of 99, 11 and 99. So appreciate you guys watching. Hope you enjoyed watching the break. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below.